Get on it.
Oh, come
Let's
on.
go. Oh, guys, come on. What are these pursuit angles? No way did you stay in bounds on that. That was absurd.
Oh, Mr. Hawkins. I thought for sure I was going out like twice.
Oh, terrible throw.
Oh.
We're back to our usual tricks.
Yeah. I thought you'd go for the slant.
I probably should have. I was just hoping he'd be able to beat you on the out, but you were going for it quick.
Yeah, I pressed him.
Jesus Christ.
Oh!
I even said run right.
It was congested.
Man, yeah, I did not need to bullet that one.
Oh, no, I did not see him. Oh! Oh, nice late read.
Oh, didn't get it.
Get off.
Oh my God.
He's a freak. Oh my God, what a block. Decleated. Oh! I don't know what they're gonna call.
Hey!
Oh!
I'll take it.
Nice play.
Oh, you read it perfectly.
I baited you a little on that. Oh, right to him.
Well, might get a defensive touchdown. Still no offensive, though.
Yeah, that was a dumb throw. I saw him too, and I'm like, I think I can weasel this by him.
Oh,
oh, give me that! Is definitely a huge advantage. Finally got it off before that blitz. Oh, you got him! Oh, look at that! There's your touchdown. Nice play.
We got one touchdown, baby. We got one fucking touchdown. Suck my dick, Dave. Oh, fuck. He's gone.
No.
Yep.
Yep. I thought that guy had the edge.
It's the run support safety. He's not good in the open field. Oh, man.
Oh, I got him again! I'm like, there's no way he's going to get back on that RPO. He was 15 yards off the line of scrimmage.
He got very lucky on that one that he just broke on it.
Throw it.
Oh, he was open.
Bye.
Oh, my God.
Bye.
He's got the Heisman locked up after this game.
I don't know, man. He's missed 2 games. I don't think there's any way he can win it.
Oh. Oh, I thought it was a drag. It was a slant.
Oh!
No way on field goal block even.
Oh, you got him. I didn't think you'd see him. I was like, I'm going to press down here.
No way. I'm still going to get an offensive touchdown. Joke's on you.
Oh, I bit too early. I was like, he's for sure throwing this. It's hard to hold on to that ball on 4th down.
Oh, no, I didn't see the other corner. Wow, why should it end any different than it started? This QB ain't getting the hook.
You'll still get a relatively high seed. If I had to guess, you'll be like the 6th seed in the playoffs. I'm not sure.
As long as I make it, I'll be happy.
Yeah, you'll probably get a computer game to
That would be
start
nice.
out, depending on what happens in Brandon and Nard's game.